Hey friends, you know the drill. Set your clock for 5 minutes. We have 1 minute cardio of choice. Whatever works for you, choose that for your 1 minute cardio of choice. Then we're going into an AMRAP, as many rounds as possible in 4 minutes, 30 mountain climbers, 20 bicycle crunches, 10 lateral jump over dumbbell, 5 up downs. So for the mountain climbers, you're going to bring your feet as to your hand, close to your hands as possible. So plank position, alternate your feet to get as close to your hands as possible. Then we have 20 bicycle crunches. So you're going to go on the ground. We're going to have our knees bent. We'll have our hands behind our head. Opposite elbow goes to opposite knee. Then opposite back, or you're going to alternate through. For the bicycle crunches, you have 20 of those, and then we have 10 lateral jumps over the dumbbell. So you'll take your dumbbell, and we're going to jump over this for a total of 10 reps. Jump, jump, repeat for 10 reps. Then we have 5 up downs. So you're going to go kick your feet out into a plank position. Then you're going to jump them back in, stand up, repeat again for a total of 5 reps. As many rounds as possible in 4 minutes. Then we have a push-pull strength workout. You're going to set your clock for 12 minutes. 4 sets on a 12-minute clock. We have 10 each arm, single arm dumbbell strict press. Then we have 10 each arm, single arm dumbbell upright row. Then 14 dumbbell slides. So 12-minute clock, 4 sets. Make each of these sets about 3 minutes each. You can build in a rest if you would like within that 3 minutes, but don't give yourself too much rest. You don't want to rush through these movements. You want to make sure you're doing them correctly. So grab your 1 dumbbell, single arm dumbbell strict press. You're going to have the dumbbell in the rack position. This can help you counterbalance your free arm. What you're going to do is just use your body, because you're going to push your ribs down, and we're going to drive the dumbbell up overhead. Keep everything tight. Keep this tight, keep your core tight, keep your elbow locked out. Drive the dumbbell up overhead. So you have that, 10 reps the right arm, then 10 reps the left arm. Then we have 10 single arm dumbbell upright row. So after you're done doing your strict press, go back to whatever arm that you weren't using. You're going to have the feet underneath your hips, just like if you did with the strict press. Should I mention that? You're going to get this elbow high in the air. We're going to row the dumbbell right up our body. Row. Row. 10 reps, right arm, then 10 reps, the left arm. And then you have 14 dumbbell slides. So that basically means, or what that means, is you're going to go into your plank position. You're going to drag the dumbbell under you one way, then drag it back under you the opposite way. Drag, drag, drag. Remember, plank position, you don't want that butt too high, and you don't want it sagging low. You want to keep your body and your core tight. So you have 4 sets of that on a 12-minute clock. Now we have a push-pull workout coming up. We have 3 sets for max reps. It's a 1:30 work with 30 seconds rest in between. So let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. Set your clock for about 15 minutes, guys, for the 3 sets. So for a 1:30, we're doing max alternating single dumbbell up down with a devil's press, guys, all right? Then you have resting for 30 seconds. Then we're doing 1:30 max single dumbbell front rack lunges, resting 30 seconds. 1:30 of max mountain climbers, resting for 30 seconds, and then a 1:30 of alternating sit-throughs, resting for 30 seconds. We're scoring our reps. So for this first movement, 1:30 of max alternating single dumbbell up, down, and devil's press. You're going to take your 1 dumbbell, you'll have that in your right arm, Sorry guys. My room is making me a little stuffy. So we're going to go down into our up down. So you're going to go kick your feet out in your plank position. We're going to jump our feet back in, but from here we're double pressing, which is basically a snatch overhead. I'll go from this angle, go down to your up down, jump your feet back in, double press, lock out overhead. Then you will alternate up, down, jump your feet in, double press. You're locking that dumbbell out overhead. You have 1:30 of that movement, guys, okay? Then we have a rest for 30 seconds. Then we're doing 1:30 max single dumbbell front rack lunges. So you'll take that dumbbell, grab on each head of the dumbbell, bring those elbows high in the front rack position. We're going to lunge forward with the left knee, then lunge forward with the right knee. You don't want that front knee over those toes, guys. 90-degree angle. Alternating your lunge, 1:30 of that movement, then you rest for 30 seconds. Then we have 1:30 of max mountain climbers. So you're going to go to your plank position and you're going to get your feet as close to your hands as possible. 1 minute and 30 seconds of that. Then you rest for 30 seconds and then we have alternating sit-throughs. This movement is my kryptonite. It's going to look a little funny when I do it because I always struggle. So you're going to go into your plank position and we're going to kick our leg through. It's going to go under us. Sit through. Then back down. Then we're going to kick our leg and sit through. See if I can get a better angle. Sit through. Sit through. That is a core engaged workout. So you want to stay tight in your core and you want to get that leg through. It is hard to do, guys. So if you have to, you can try to sit on your butt, then back down into your plank, and then kick that leg through. But just make sure you get into the plank every time. You have 1:30 of that, and then 30 seconds rest, and then you're repeating for 2 more sets for a total of 3 sets. And that is your Tuesday workout. See you tomorrow.